how Trump's tariffs could impact Singapore's property market, here's a real estate agent's perspective. In April 2025, President Trump introduced some sweeping tariffs. This includes a 10% baseline on imports from countries like Singapore. This impact has significant implications for our property market. Number one, mortgage interest rates. The US Federal Reserve might adjust interest rates in response to these tariffs. If they raise these rates to combat inflation, Singapore's SORA rates could follow suit, leading to a higher mortgage repayment. Conversely, if rates are lowered to stimulate growth, borrowing costs here might decrease. Number two, construction costs. Tariffs on Chinese goods can increase the cost of construction materials, potentially raising property prices. However, if China redirects its exports to Southeast Asia, we might see a drop in material costs, possibly stabilizing or even reducing the property prices. Number three, buyer behavior. Economic uncertainty often leads to a wait-and-see approach among buyers. This could slow down the market temporarily. However, Singapore's property market has historically shown resilience, bouncing back stronger after global economic challenges. An example of a wait-and-see approach amongst buyers in today's current events would be Bloomberry Residences that sold 25% on launch day, One Marina Gardens that sold 38% on launch day. I believe that this is just a short-term slowdown because this is not in line with the population growth of Singapore of 6.5 million by 2030. This is a clear example of a short-term slowdown, but as a buyer, you need to get in when people are fearful. Just remember the population growth of Singapore's aim is to hit 6.5 million by 2030, and this is one of the key factors in the property price index being an all-time high in Singapore's current market. Number four, foreign investments. Singapore's reputation as a stable and transparent market may attract foreign investors seeking safe havens amid global trade tensions. This influx can bolster the property market, especially in the luxury section. And to summarize, advice for buyers and sellers. For buyers, focus on long-term value. Ensure affordability and be cautious of short-term market fluctuations. Sellers, understand that while there might be a short-term uncertainty, Singapore's property fundamentals remain strong. Pricing realistically and highlighting the property's value can make a difference. In conclusion, while Trump's tariffs introduce new dynamics, Singapore's property market is well equipped to navigate these challenges. Staying informed and making decisions based on long-term perspectives will serve both buyers and sellers well. I hope this brought value to you. Please drop me a message if you have any inquiries. God bless. Timothy from PropNext.